Hey everyone, Jim Fultz with Copeland here today to talk about thermostats and how you can upgrade. If you have a homeowner that says, oh, I want the most economical thermostat out there, go with the White Rogers 70 series thermostat. Easy to install, 5 minutes or less, and it gives you all of the basic features that you need for a basic thermostat. And then the homeowner says, well, I want something a little bit nicer, some more features. I want to upgrade. And I don't want the buttons on the side. I want things a little cleaner looking. You can take the 70 series thermostat, leave the back plate, leave all of the wiring, grab an 80 series, same back plate, and you're done. Just like that, upgrading to one with buttons on the side, nothing on the edge, right here in the middle, nice and clean. But wait, they wanted a Wi-Fi thermostat, something that they could use a Sensi app and be able to control it from their phone. Not a problem. 80 series off. And here's the Sensi Classic. And just like that, no change of backplate, no pulling of wires, moving wires around, and the homeowner can be upgraded to a Wi-Fi thermostat. Very simple, very easy upgrade. Same backplate, doesn't matter if it's 70, 80, or the Sensi.